guys, Brittany and Parker here from Dine.
Hello, and today we're at DelGrosso's. A quick little trip. We just happen to be in the area, but for those who don't know, DelGrosso's is actually a sauce.
Yeah, it was a sauce company. They make marinara sauce, well, all pasta sauce, really.
Yes.
Probably seen it in your grocery store. And they also own a small amusement park and water park. I've never been here. Parker has before.
Yeah, a while ago though.
Yeah, it seems really cute and small. You actually don't have to pay to get in. You can pay per ride, or you can get a ride wristband that lets you do everything unlimited. I think we're just gonna walk in, kind of pay for rides as we want to do them, and we're gonna eat a lot of food.
That's exactly right. We are here for the food, if we're being honest. And with that in mind, let's go. Let's go eat. So there are two sides, the ride side and the water park side. So we're gonna go over a bridge, over a road, to get over to the ride side to eat our first food, which is gonna be what?
I'm thinking a meatball sub.
Oh, that's an excellent choice.
You gotta have Del Grosso marinara, right? Italian food.
Excellent. Okay, so what do we got?
We got Sloppy Joe fries.
Nice.
Murph's potato salad.
Cool.
And a meatball hoagie.
And that's what we're most excited for. I don't know, the chili fries.
Sloppy Joe fries.
I'm sorry, Sloppy Joe fries.
Which means you'll probably like it more because it's gonna be sweet. Isn't Sloppy Joe usually like kind of sweet?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's so good. I love a meatball sub though, so I'm biased probably, but it's good.
I'm really excited for this.
Yeah,
it's like
it's really good.
Life, right?
It doesn't look like stellar, I must say, but it tastes so much better than it looks.
The bread feels good.
Oh,
like
it is.
Holding it. It's weird to say that.
It is. It's like,
I feel like it's true.
Italian bread.
Yeah.
So good. Yeah.
We're gonna have a good day.
So what about the Sloppy Joe fries?
I really like them. They're sweet.
I knew you would because they're sweet. Sloppy Joe is usually a little sweet.
Yeah.
I'm not a huge fan of Sloppy Joes. Yeah. The fries are good. It's got that like cheese sauce that everyone loves.
Well, did you like the potato salad more?
Actually, I think I do like the potato salad more.
That's cool. Because that was their own potato salad too. Well, that was delicious.
It was. It was really good. Good first stop.
Yeah, I like how you say that. There's gonna be like multiple stops here. And now we'll walk it off a little bit.
Yeah, let's just go and look around at some of the rides and
games and
then we'll get another snack.
Yeah, another snack. A few different rides, but we are gunning for the train because the sign said closed.
You did. When we walked in, it said today's ride's closed, train and tilt-a-whirl, and I was very upset about the train. Don't care about the tilt-a-whirl. But I just saw it going, so we're gonna go see what's going on.
Yes, we gotta do the train. It was fun. It was cute.
It was cute. That was cute.
Yeah, also cute is Little Toot over here.
Little Toot.
But the train's pretty short. There's just grass in the middle. And back in 2006, they bought a roller coaster that went upside down 3 times.
Oh.
Kind of like Corkscrew at Cedar Point, a loop and then 2 corkscrews.
Yeah.
And it was in storage for years. And I feel like that's probably where it would have gone. But it's now in the Philippines, of all places. So maybe they flipped it. Maybe that was the plan the whole time.
Maybe.
Who knows? But I'm kind of glad it's not here.
Yeah?
It doesn't match the park very well, right?
Yeah, I guess that's true.
Yeah, what's next?
Let's eat.
Eat again. Excellent.
All right.
Boom.
Italian hoagie.
Yeah, not only that, Mariana's.
Yeah.
We actually spoke to her for a little bit.
We did, yeah. She's nice, checking up, making sure everything was okay.
Yep, yeah.
It's cool.
She's one of the owners.
Yeah.
And this is her own
I think Italian dressing that goes on the hoagies.
And what's really cool about it too is that everything comes.
Oh, look at that. Separate package. So that if you don't want lettuce, you don't want tomatoes or peppers. That's
you know who appreciates that?
Brittany.
Brittany.
It's good.
It's good?
There's a lot going on.
Really?
Yeah.
On the sub without toppings?
There's a lot of meats on it, first of all.
Okay.
Strong flavored meat. Strong flavored Italian dressing.
Nice.
You'll see.
Okay. I have a feeling this might be a difference of Texas versus Pennsylvania here.
Look at those super red tomatoes.
I like it a lot.
Yeah?
Well, in Pennsylvania, where I'm from originally, lunch meat is like, there's like 1,000 lunch meats. I know everybody has a deli where there's a lot of lunch meats.
I would say delis are more prominent, definitely in the Northeast than in Texas. Yeah.
So I can dig it. I like it a lot. I love that you can build it.
Yeah, I actually think it's pretty cool.
That's neat. So the hoagie was good. I liked it more than Brittany.
I liked it. It just...
Oh, I didn't say you didn't like it. I said I liked it more.
Yeah. Compared to the meatball sub, though, it's just like...
Oh, the meatball sub was very, very good. But this whole area over here, I mean, we have the railroad, of course. Back in this direction, we have the casino. And then there's also this other ride that people have seen at the fairs all the time where it spins really fast, goes up in the air. We have the Dodgems, the paratrooper. People love paratroopers, tilt-a-whirl, the drop ride, and the wild mouse. So all the big rides are right here in this little area. And on the other side of this is also the pirate ship. And we're gonna finish with the carousel ride-wise. But for now, games. Never seen a game like this, a dart game, and you gotta score 50. Oh my God, you got it! You did it!
I did it.
Oh, nice!
Actually, it's a level 2 prize, 76 points.
And you got the high score! A 1. The two extremes.
Nice!
Good. Oh,
68.
come on! You got lucky with that one.
Woo, but you still get a little prize.
I got a little prize. I like those more than the snake.
Obviously, we want the pineapple.
Obviously, we want the pineapple.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna do bowler roller. I love this one.
One of our favorites. It's a game of precision, so I'm terrible at it. They go this way.
Oof, tough call.
Way too hard.
Way too hard.
Oh, that felt good. You should go again.
A little too soft.
You should go again because I'm not going to get it.
All right.
I think it's too hard.
Oh, no.
That's okay. Yeah. All right, what's this one?
Wheel of Fortune.
Wheel of Fortune.
You gotta go August, right?
August. Boom.
And October.
October. Boom.
And let's do St. Patrick's Day.
Okay, let's see if it works.
No. Wait, July.
Or
October.
Oh my God, we're gonna lose. We lost by a square. No, 2 squares.
Yeah,
Oh well. Moving on. Well, suddenly, from nowhere, a storm came through. The lights just went off. I don't know if you saw that.
the lights on the carousel just went out.
Oh.
And the music. Just they shut it down maybe?
Maybe that's what happened. Yeah. I have a feeling this will be a quick storm though, hopefully. Please. The storm is almost clear, and conveniently, our next thing, the carousel. We're back. Carousel, check.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this building here has games on the other side, which I think we'll do maybe. We'll see.
Yeah.
But yeah, a couple different food stands. Got myself a lemonade.
Nice.
In preparation for our next food.
Pizza.
Pizza. Is it hot? Is it good? Yes.
Now I see why there's so many people I've seen walking around with boxes of pizza.
Just pizza.
Boxes. And I was like, that's weird. They'll like walk by with like 4 stacks. I feel like people might come here just to get pizza.
I think they do. And the other thing that we haven't mentioned, I mean, we talked about how this is very much so a food park, but people come here just to eat.
It's true.
Yeah, on Wednesdays, they have individual spaghetti
dinners.
Yeah, spaghetti dinners. So people come, there's a whole pavilion that's set up just for people to come and eat. And then I think every Wednesday there's you can choose either have spaghetti or the specialty pasta as well. So people come here just to eat, and that's
makes sense. There's no entry fee. You
no
just
entry
come
fee.
and eat dinner.
Yes. Okay, next we're gonna head over to the water park. Yeah, well actually maybe go to the water park.
I think we are going to. I mean, the storm is long past. It's back to being hot. And humid now because the storm came through.
And there was a after 4.
Yeah, they have
special.
a sundown pass, which is like, after 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And it is now. It's 4:15.
Yeah.
So I think we actually kind of hacked the system, not on purpose. It just sort of worked out this way. That we bought the tickets for the rides, and now we're getting this like lower price wristband for the water
But we
park.
did a good job over here. We got to most of the stuff we really wanted to do. There are a good amount of rides here.
Yeah. And
then
we
there
played
also
a lot of games.
Yeah, we played another game, and then we also went into a gift store.
Yeah.
Which was really cute. They were selling their sauce.
I know, I love that.
They have a character.
Yes, Buddy Bear.
Yep.
Yep.
But a lot of good t-shirts.
Yeah, there was. I wish we could buy some sauce. Obviously, we are flying home though, so we can't. But if you live here, how cool. And like really low price
cheaper,
point.
right?
Like, oh my gosh, I think some of those sauce, like big sauce things were like $1.25. Like that's insane.
Yeah. Well, let's head over the bridge again to the water park. This bridge is so cool. It kind of reminds me of like Roller Coaster Tycoon when the objective is like, you're landlocked. What do you do next? Looks like there's a few different slides, a lazy river. Let's have a look around. So the water park.
Yeah.
Wow.
It was cool, actually.
Yeah, I mean, there weren't a ton of slides.
It's a really small water park, but it's a small park.
That's
so
also
that makes
true.
sense.
But only, 5 major slides, I guess? 2 mat slides and then 3 tube slides. And
that's it,
that's
really.
pretty much it,
And then they have like a splash pad. Well, like one of those bigger splash areas with a bucket and like a very, very small kiddie slide.
Yeah.
Lazy River, though.
Lazy River,
Cool.
the highlight of maybe both sides. Besides, I don't know, food, obviously. There were interactive things that were happening. You could reach up and hit different things, and
they would make certain things like shoot water, and there was one area where if you stand on the side, you can push this pump, and then like these big bubbles come up in the lazy river. Certain fish that you can hit, and if you hit those, then things like pop off. It was cool. I don't really remember another lazy river that has
I think this is like
you can touch.
Right. I think this might be a top 5 lazy river for me.
Yeah,
which is also crazy.
Yeah, it is because there's like a lazy river in every water park.
Right.
So there's a ton, but also I don't know. For having such a small size, it was really cool.
Yeah, and it had, of course, all the other normal stuff too, stuff falling, and of course, the Tower of Pisa.
Yeah.
Man.
Technically not in the lazy river. It's like a pool.
Yeah, you go around
can
it.
Swim in.
Yeah.
But the lazy river goes around the pool and the Pisa. So that was neat too.
So neat. There's all kinds of things happening in Lazy River. And then we also did the wave pool.
Yeah.
And the wave pool was really cool. Very small.
Yes.
But
it was like intense. The waves were big.
It was
like
good.
Ocean-like, not like one big wave going through the whole pool, but
usually smaller wave pool, smaller waves. Not the case here. No. And then we would be remiss without mentioning one of the slides does have a really cool feature where it goes down and then back up just using gravity. Typically if you go up on a water slide, it's a water coaster.
Yeah.
And you're using magnets, magnetic things inside the tube itself to push it back up, or use water to push it back up. This was just pure gravity. So they weighed you at the top, they made sure, okay, you're good, and then you go. I was a little nervous for myself, but it was actually very smooth. It felt like a roller coaster. Like it felt like just the right amount of momentum to take me right over.
Yeah.
And so that was really neat.
That's cool.
Yeah. Lazy River. Food. Meatball sub.
Games
that we won.
It was fun.
Yeah. No, it's a cute little park. There's also Lake Mount Park over here. There's all these little tiny little Pennsylvania parks scattered all over the place.
Yeah.
But this is
cool.
one of my favorites here.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to Ride or Die, and we'll see you guys next time.